Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best car stereo of 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we got you covered. For more information of the product, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. At number 5 we have JVC KWM750BT. Digital media receiver with 6.8-inch clear resistive touch control monitor and built-in Bluetooth, R, wireless technology. JVC multimedia receivers interface your smartphone with your car to enrich your driving experience. Enjoy your favorite apps and view content on a big screen, in comfort and safety. A smarter, safer, and more fun way to use your iPhone in the car. Apple CarPlay gives iPhone users an intuitive way to make calls, use maps, and listen to music with just a word or a touch. With the latest iOS version, third-party navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze are supported. Android Auto was designed with safety in mind. With a simple and intuitive interface and powerful voice actions, it's designed to minimize distractions so that you can stay focused on the road. With the latest Android OS version, Google Maps and Waze are also supported. From advanced technologies that enable playback of premium high-resolution audio sources, to the vast array of sound adjustment functions to fine-tune and customize the acoustics exactly the way you want, count on JVC to deliver the music to your ears. You can enjoy playback of audio which contains about 3 times the musical information of music CDs, or even high-resolution audio files with their approximate 6.5 times data volume. With high sound quality approaching the original master recording itself, you will experience the presence and ambience of a tune the way CD simply cannot. By selecting the speaker type and the distance to the center of the listening position, the receiver will automatically adjust the timing of the sound output from each of the speakers so that the sound from each of the speakers will arrive exactly at the same time to the listening position. At number 4 we have Sony XAV AX5000. Enjoy smooth and simple control for every journey, with a responsive 17.6 cm touchscreen display that wakes up 2.5 times as fast as previous models, and dual USB ports, for more music options on the go. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto TM makes it easier than ever to navigate, communicate, and play music on the road. Just connect to the XAV AX5000 to see everything you need on the large touchscreen. Easily access the iPhone features you know and love, just by talking to Siri. Music, maps, phone calls, and messages are all under your control. Use voice commands to dictate messages, take phone calls, or get help from Google Maps. You can even control music playback just by talking. Get directions in real time without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Easily navigate to your end destination, or search for nearby stopovers mid-journey. Bring up maps, sort through playlists, and make phone calls all from a smooth, bezel-less display that integrates seamlessly with your dashboard. The 17.6 cm screen ensures everything is easy to use, and wakes up 2.5 times as fast as previous models, so you can get on the road faster. Thanks to dual USB ports, you can hook up storage devices to access your music library while connecting a smartphone for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Multiple customization options let you adapt the audio experience to your liking. And with the built-in amplification, music sounds clear even at high volumes. Got a rear camera installed? View its feed through the screen, along with customizable guidelines that help you back in safely. At number 3 we have Alpine ILX-F309 Halo 9. An ingenious Alpine HALO9, first 9-inch display with CarPlay and Android Auto makes your journey brighter and enlightened. The floating display availability, at this point you can get the best viewing angles you need. The undeniable king of technology in this age, CarPlay and Android Auto provide user-friendly in-car infotainment system operating while you are on the road. Moreover, it lets you easily accessing the smartphone features you love with voice control features. Online navigation system is also available in many options, whether Apple Map * and Google Map, providing highest degree of accuracy information. With advanced sound tuning via Alpine application brings you convenience of adjusting sound preferences. The amazing 9-inch display sits in a super slim housing with edge-to-edge glass and a nice chrome trim around the edge. Combined with the touch-responsive hard keys on the bottom, it makes the unit stunningly beautiful and very modern in function and appearance. The stand feature of the display is hovering facet that floats over the car dashboard. At this point, The screen can be selected at any positions to assist duration installation. You can adjust the display angle from +45 degrees to -20 degrees. Height adjusting. From center position. Distance range of the display to your dash. A multitude of custom tuning functions proving whether digital time correction, digital X-over and dual 9-band parametric EQ, and bass engine SQ create top-level power of advanced sound processing in your car that you couldn't ask for a better. You also get media expander, 24-bit DAC, and 3 pre-outs as well. Online navigation with Apple Map or Google Map make your trip a smoother ride. Without taking your eyes from the road, being able to operation by voice command function enables fully control over all navigation function, whether tracking live traffic conditions and finding point of interest. You can also reach destination on time with a real-time traffic updates. At number 2 we have Kenwood XAV DNX997XR. Clear glass display with swipe functionality that provides superior picture and touch panel control. Dash camera can be controlled and viewed from the touch screen. Customize your home screen by selecting 4 shortcut/information widgets. Widget options can include album art, clock, compass, photo frame, visualizer, and more. Kenwood offers 3 years map updates enabling you to keep up to date. Download the latest maps online to an SD card and insert to your navigation system. Solution for seamlessly displaying and controlling your smartphone apps on a screen without cables on select Android devices. Lane Assist guides you to the correct lane for an approaching turn or exit, making unfamiliar intersections and exits easy to navigate. USB mirroring via USB for iPhone and Android, two-way touch control for Android. Garmin Photo Real Junction View shows what complex interchanges look like before you arrive. Optional camera connection method for up to 4 cameras in various configurations. Garmin navigation feature that displays 3D map contours, providing realistic terrain perspectives. HD rear camera can be connected for high-definition viewing. While you are connected through Bluetooth, with a touch of a button you can switch between 2 phones. Parking guidelines that enhance the effectiveness of a backup camera. With the Garmin 3D terrain view, lifelike map contours will be displayed at low zoom levels, giving you a realistic perspective of the terrain in available areas. Previously, users were limited to simply displaying the elevation and grade levels as text on a flat map. Now, true perspectives can be achieved in a 3D format. The mapping view will reflect the curves in real time. High-resolution audio is high-quality sound that exceeds CD standard. High-resolution audio captures and beautifully expresses all the details of your favorite music. At number 1 we have Pioneer AVHW4500 NEX. Pioneer's NEX or Networked Entertainment Experience line of receivers features a responsive and highly customizable user interface. The NEX models are designed especially for today's smartphone-driven lifestyle. It supports a cable-free connection between your smartphone and the receiver using Wi-Fi registered trademark wireless connectivity. Now compatible with both Android Auto Wireless and Android Auto over USB, it makes it easier than ever to connect. Android Auto makes it easier to access your favorite navigation, media, and communication apps on the road while minimizing distractions. Compatibility with Apple CarPlay supports connecting to an iPhone registered trademark device using either a wireless connection or a wired USB connection. It also features Android Auto, which extends the Android platform into the car in a way that's purpose-built for driving. Android Auto automatically brings you useful information and organizes it into simple cards that appear just when they're needed. It's designed to minimize distractions so you can stay focused on the road ahead. It features Apple CarPlay, the smarter, safer and more fun way to use your iPhone in the car. Apple CarPlay gives iPhone users an incredibly intuitive way to make calls, use maps, listen to music, and verbally send and listen to messages with just a word or a touch. Backup camera input enables you to add a rear view camera, with the system automatically switching to a full screen image of the rear view when the car is placed in reverse gear. The full screen image returns to the source screen last in use when the vehicle is taken out of reverse gear. It has an additional input where you can add a second camera. The second camera view can be activated at any time and has many potential uses including monitoring a tow vehicle, providing a side view for better lane visibility, or as an alternate rear view if the vehicle's backup camera view isn't available. Pandora is personalized internet radio that is designed to help you discover new music that you'll love mixed in with music that you already know. With the AVHW4500 NEX, you can enjoy superior sound quality and full control of the Pandora experience in your car directly from the touchscreen display of the receiver.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.